Students, now let us look at the description for multiple channel single phase queuing system. With a multiple channel single phase queuing system application, the number of servers is now greater than one. Multiple channel जब आपके पास हो गए तो server would be greater than one, but the demand source would be one. The operating characteristics of this queuing system are as follows. ये एक और important aspect है, तो इसलिए इसके characteristics को जो है वो discuss कर लेते हैं. That would be the queuing characteristics as well as the service characteristics. Okay, what do we have with us? We have lambda, which is actually equal to the average arrival rate. Then S mu, वहां पर आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ mu था. That is actually showing the service rate. यहां पर S क्या है? The average service rate would actually be the number of servers which is represented by या service channels, number of service channels which is S multiply by the average service rate. क्योंकि अब आपके पास जो average service rate है वो multiply होगा जितने number of servers आपके पास या service channels आपके पास मौजूद है. Now what would be rho? Rho आपके पास जो utilization factor था, average server utilization factor, वो lambda over mu था. यहां पर ये lambda over S mu हो जाएगा क्योंकि अब आपके पास सर्वर्स ज्यादा हैं. Then P naught, the probability of zero customers in the system, वो आपके पास जो है that would be given by this formula which is 1 over sum of n is equal to 0 से लेके s minus 1 तक आप उसको लेके जाएंगे into what is the summation आपने लेनी है lambda mu power n over n factorial plus n lambda mu power s over s factorial into 1 over 1 minus lambda s mu. That is true for all when s mu is greater than lambda. जब आपके पास जो आपका सर्विस रेट है जब भी ग्रेटर होगा आपके अराइवल रेट से, तो दिस विल गिव यू द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 0 customers in the system. Now the probability of n customers in the system would be actually given by P naught. P naught आपको हमेशा कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ेगी और उसके बाद आप इस फैक्टर के साथ उसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. That is lambda over mu power big N over n factorial for n less than equal to s. अगर आपके पास नंबर ऑफ अराइवल्स या नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर्स इन दी सिस्टम कम है सर्वर से तो इससे मालूम करेंगे. अदरवाइज आप P naught into lambda over mu power small n over s factorial into s into n minus s factorial for n greater than s. Practically n would be greater than s. आपके जो number of customers in the system होंगे that would be greater than the number of servers which are being used. तो जो दूसरा फार्मूला है वो ज्यादा in use होगा. Then LQ, the expected number of customers in the queue, वो आप कैसे represent करेंगे? वो P naught जो आपने find किया हुआ है वही है. Then it would be multiplied by the एक रेशो है आपके पास lambda over mu power s into lambda over s mu divided by s factorial into 1 minus lambda over s mu का whole square. So this will give you the expected number of customers in a queue. What about LS? LS would be the expected number of customers in a system. That would be LQ plus lambda over mu. और WQ आपके पास expected waiting time आपके पास कितना आ जाएगा in a queue? It would be LQ over lambda. और इसी तरह the expected waiting time in the system which is represented by WS, it would be WQ plus 1 over mu. ये characteristics हो गए एक multiple channel single phase queuing system के, जो कि if this condition is fulfilled, so you can use this queuing system. हो सकता है आपके पास जो most of the time you would have like multiple channel single phase queuing system, so these characteristics would be useful in designing the queuing system. Thank you.